Hello everyone, it's 15th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, which is the world page, we have amid carnage at Bondi Beach, a lone bystanders tackle holds the gunman. Then we have shooting is latest in alarming rise of anti-Semitic attacks in Australia. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Myanmar urges countries to take back citizens held on scam charges. Then we have Zelensky, US envoys meet in Berlin to discuss peace deal. Then we have Hamas says Israel's killing of senior leader threatens truce. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have 11 killed in terror attack on Jewish event in Sydney. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Hindi and English to Santhali and Mundari changing languages of FTII students films. Again, very important for security perspective as well as society perspective. Then we have fake degrees, case plans, bar council staff, lawyer and police net. Tamil Nadu man loses license. Then we have fake drugs, raw material worth rupees 2 crore seized, 2 arrested. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have capital C season's worst air day. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have water discharged by STPs falls short of norms. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have data shows a surge in sale of DDA flats in last 3 days, 3 years. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have you will face retroactive law action. Congress wants ECs. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have in Haldwani encroachment allegations and the endless wait for court ruling. Again, very important. Then we have amid clashes. Booth capturing Punjab sees 48% turnout in rural elections. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have no grant giving powers to regulatory council and bill set to replace UCG Act. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have why is India pursuing FTAs. It's not just economics. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have from Brazil a lesson on antibiotic use for India. Again, very important for health and international business perspective. Then we have cardiac risk rising in women under 50. What does politician learn? Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have budget may unveil next round of public sector bank reforms. Then we have FMCG growth slips in November but value growth in rural gallops. All these things are very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have the explained page where we have new insurance bill major reform is it seeks to bring. Again, very important for economy as well as political and governance perspective. Then we have beyond big sales divergence in the US Saudi defense ties. Again, very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.